The YouTube. Yeah, it is being done. Okay, sir. Fine. Okay, sir. Thank you. Hello, everyone. So today we will be discussing treatise 13, and so this is the book, and it is on kidney. Okay, specific diseases related to kidney. So as we discussed in yesterday's class, we discussed lungs. So, and we discussed, as per Western medicine, lungs is mainly for exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. And when it comes to kidney, so similarly, the main function is filtration of blood. Okay, so this is treatise 13 on kidney. Okay, so what are the functions of kidney as per TCM? Yeah. So please go ahead, tell me.
Filtration of blood.
Okay, filtration of blood. Filtration, so or purification of blood. Okay, and
Then yesterday's topic, like in inhalation, it
okay.
helps.
In the same thing, production of urine.
Yeah.
Okay, production of urine. Okay, and third, manage inhalation
Yes, sir.
or govern the inhalation. And
To remove waste products.
it is already mentioned, filtration and purification is the same. What else does the kidney do? Only these things kidney does?
I know only this much. Semester one student.
Semester?
One.
Okay. For semester 1, it is good. Others?
So there's one endocrine system also, fight and flight, which hormone is required. It's also been done. And there's one more thing, if some I don't remember exactly what is less in that. So it stimulates the production of RBCs in the blood also. In something it secretes which stimulates the production of RBCs in bone marrow.
Okay. Right, it manages the water. Okay, there are so many things that it manages. Okay, as per TCM, we will say
Homeostasis of the body is maintained.
Manages marrow. What is marrow? As per TCM, what is marrow? Marrow is the raw material through which all the below are made. Bone marrow, and brain and spine. So the raw material with which the bone is done, bone marrow is created, brain and spine is created, is called as marrow as per TCM. And this marrow is governed by kidney. And what else does it do? Manages kidney essence. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
There are other, like there are some who are from higher semesters also. You should participate. Okay. So manages kidney essence. And what is kidney essence? What is kidney essence?
Prenatal energy.
Okay. What else? Any other good definition of kidney essence?
It's like our blueprint
Blueprint of what?
of our human body.
Can we say genetic blueprint?
Yes, yes.
So we say DNA, RNA, etc., right? So all of those genetic blueprint is managed by kidney essence, and that kidney essence is governed by kidney. Okay, what else does it do?
Head hairs also is controlled by kidney.
Governs head hair. And
Bones also.
bones we have written, marrow.
And it manages lower two orifices.
Okay, manages lower two orifices, that is the anus and the urethra. Okay. And
Manages breathe.
when?
Breathe.
Breath. Inhalation.
Inhalation.
We have written that governs the inhalation. And
Maintains pH of body fluids.
yes. Maintains the volume of.
That comes in water.
Mhm.
Manage water.
Yeah. Manages water.
Uh,
Just we can write it. Manages volume of water, minerals, nutrients, acids, that is amino acids, sits in the body. Okay.
बॉडी के तापमान को नियंत्रित करती है होम्योस्टैसिस.
So manages homeostasis, involved in homeostasis.
Governs reproduction.
Yes.
Bilirubin,
Governs.
which is unsoluble, it makes water soluble.
Okay. Yeah, all of that is into this thing, allopathic system. But let's think in terms of TCM.
Kidneys opens into the ears.
Governs hearing. Ears. The shape of the ear and the shape of the kidney is similar, right?
Bones governs bones.
Yeah. So this is the shape of the ear, and the kidney shape is also like that. So ear and kidney. Okay. Not nails. Nails is governs bones. Okay. What else? Anything else? Okay. So with this, we can see. Can we also say kidney is the kidney yang is the mother of all yang. Know this? And kidney yin is the
Yes.
mother of all yin. Okay. How? How? Okay. Why kidney governs bone? We have learned that kidney governs bone. Right? In the book it is given. Why? This question never came in the mind. Nobody is answering.
क्योंकि वो बोन मेरो
Why bone? Why
don't
bone?
know exactly.
Why kidney is governing the bone? Why not liver or heart or spleen or lungs? Why kidney?
Because kidney produces marrow.
Okay, why kidney produces marrow? Let's put it in this way. Why not something else? Why not liver, lungs, heart?
So with the help of prenatal energy, because the
Prenatal cells.
basic energy starts from kidney only, because the child is born with us, and the postnatal energy is gained when he eats
See,
something.
my question is, see, prenatal, postnatal, etc. is one thing. But why bone? Why not bone with somebody else, some other organ? Why kidney is governing the bone?
क्योंकि मेन बॉडी का तो बोन्स के ऊपर ही स्ट्रक्चर है, आई थिंक.
नहीं, it is so you mean to say liver and other organs are less important, heart, etc. Kidney is more important. Is that what you're telling?
It has energy giving.
Hmm?
No.
Like you should be very strong fundamental. Fundamentals has to be very strong within you. Like when you have to, as you go into higher semesters, you will have to handle patients, right? So when problems come, it becomes very important for you to, like, there are so many situations where your ability to solve a case or not depends on how strong is your fundamental. So many situations will come because for every patient, there is no ready-made protocols available. So you'll have to understand this is what is happening in the body, why this is happening, and why this can, how can this be solved? What is the, this is my way of thinking. Why bone? Bone is hard. Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Bone is hard. Okay. Let's take let's take a banana or a tomato or some any fruit or vegetable. Okay, let's take banana. So banana is, a ripe banana is soft.
Soft.
Yes. But if you put this ripe banana in freezer,
Hard.
what does it become?
It becomes hard.
It
Hard.
becomes
Hard.
very hard.
Hard.
Become hard, solid.
Now you can use it as a hammer to drive a nail. Right? It becomes so hard. Huh? Now, what is making this soft banana into hard banana?
Temperature.
Cold.
Cooling,
Coldness.
coldness,
The energy of coldness.
coldness.
Yes.
Right? Whenever you apply coldness, either it could be a tomato, you put a tomato in the freezer, that will also become hard. Anything that you give coldness energy, that object will become
Hard.
hard. And which is the energy of coldness? Which organ has the energy of coldness?
Kidney urinary.
Kidney UV.
Kidney
Kidney.
has the energy of coldness. Hence, it governs bones. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which is hard.
Yes, sir. Mind blowing.
Mind blowing?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is there for it to blow the mind? Huh?
Logic.
Logic. So logically, it should be, everything should fit. Okay. So now this, this one word can help you in so many places. Coldness is creating the bone. Coldness is creating the bone. This one word, one sentence can help you in so many places to diagnose and understand and fix the problem. whenever there is, let's say, arthritis. Say this is the so this is the normal bone. And in arthritis, what happens? What happens?
Edges of bone.
बोन का स्ट्रक्चर चेंज हो जाता,
Edges, what happens to the edges?
swell.
Edges becomes overgrown. Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
There is extra bone in the edges. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, extra bone in the edges. So now what do you think has happened?
The extra coldness has increased in the bones, which was not required.
See, now the coldness creates the bone. So if the extra edges is growing, what is happening? There is extra coldness.
Coldness.
Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now in this case, I will have to reduce the
Coldness. Reduce the coldness.
Thanks.
Yes.
reduce the coldness. How do I do it?
To sedate kidney.
How can you sedate kidney? Which pattern is there? Excess pattern is there in kidney to sedate?
No. Yes.
Excess kidney yang को sedate मतलब
How?
kidney yin को
See.
बढ़ाएंगे और kidney yang will
No.
increase kidney yin.
No.
Kidney yang को
No,
yin
hold
को
on. You cannot use yin yang and all like that so easily. It has to be
Kidney.
written. There
It
is
should be
there any
transfer of energy.
no, hold on. Is there any protocol called kidney yang excess? Or
No, sir. Kidney yang deficiency only.
No. So it is always kidney yang deficiency.
Deficiency.
Kidney yin deficiency. So there is no such thing as excess when it comes to yin or yang. But so this is kidney. Okay. And this is your UB. And kidney does not have any excess condition. No excess condition. No excess condition. Only deficient condition. Deficient condition. Right? But UB has both excess and deficient condition. Now this is also related to coldness. This organ is also related to coldness, and this organ is also related to
Coldness.
Now if I have to reduce the coldness, which one should I use?
तो पेड organ को reduce करना
UB.
पड़ेगा.
We will have to use UB because the UB has excess condition, right? Through UB, if there is excess cold, I can reduce the excess cold in UB and then that should help reduce the rough edges
Coldness.
of the bone.
Rough edges.
Of the bone. Making sense? Making sense?
Yes, sir.
Only one answer.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So there is something called humid cold in UB. Right? Humid cold in UV, and there is humid heat in UV.
UV.
So we can use those protocols which are the excess conditions. Humid cold and humid heat. Heat in UV. So these are the excess conditions. I can use these conditions to slowly reduce the excess humidity in the bones
Bone.
and create the smoother edges. Is it making sense? Like this is like super important.
Yes, absolutely.
Otherwise, you will be simply trying this, that, etc., and nothing will be happening. And wherever there is extra coldness, where all can there be extra coldness? The requirement is to reduce the coldness, right? I have to reduce the coldness. Where all there is extra coldness, where all can be the coldness, excess coldness can be in the below organs.
Lungs.
Tell me which organs it can be more.
Lungs, sir.
Lungs, yes. And
Liver.
lungs, which form? Which are the patterns of lungs? Which are the patterns of lungs in which there can be extra coldness in lungs? Attack of?
Wind cold.
Wind cold attack.
Attack of wind cold.
Wind cold attack of wind cold.
Wind cold. Wind cold on lungs. And what else? Attack of external wind cold and dampness on lungs. Attack of wind cold and dampness. See, just by knowing this, you can fix so many things. If you only understand this much. So these two are possible in lungs. And in large intestine, is there any possibility?
Yes.
Yes. What
Yes,
is that?
sir.
Which one?
The large
Humid,
intestine
humid
coldness,
cold, I think.
if large intestine
Humid
coldness
cold.
is given,
There is large intestine coldness, but it is under deficient condition, but I'll write it. Okay, large intestine coldness. Okay. And obstruction in large intestine due to coldness.
Yes.
Obstruction in large intestine due to coldness. Recently, we had a seminar, not seminar, conference in Prayagraj, Aspis. And there one participant had come. That person had rheumatic arthritis. Okay, the fingers were all like bent. It will be like bent like this. Okay, they can't it will be bent and they can't straighten it. Even if they push the fingers like this, it will become slant. Okay. And that person had come, and the problem was only in the hands, not in the legs. So this is the diagnosis that I did. Okay. You should note every single word I'm mentioning. Okay. So this is the step that I followed. The problem is only in the hands, not in the legs. So what should be your, as soon as I make this statement, what should come to your head? First,
Take lungs because lungs are not the upper side. Coldness of lungs.
no, see, I made a statement. The problem is only in the hands and not in the legs. When I make this statement, what should come to your head?
Why
Instant.
not in
Lungs are
the leg?
Upper side of the
Why
body.
not
Large
in the
intestine.
leg?
Large intestine. It's large intestine.
No, 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 no. No.
Upper side of the body है, नीचे नहीं गया है. तो
No. Something should come to your head instantly.
Why
Yang.
not in the leg?
it
Only
is
in hand.
related to urinary bladder.
sir, in hands, two meridian,
Yang.
lungs
Sir,
and large
speak.
intestine are going.
Okay, somebody is coming close to the answer, but they are not thinking broadly. My statement is the problem is only in the hands and not in the legs. When I
So
make
मतलब
the
जो
statement,
ये दो these two meridians are going, so some coldness is in the either of these two meridians, which is affecting hands. No.
LULI both.
It is due
So
to
we have to
yang.
check it the meridians of the upper extremities.
SI भी आ सकता है.
see,
Yang,
statement. Somebody is made the
Yang
statement.
upper body is yang.
Yang axis.
Extremities, somebody told, no, what is that?
In the upper
Sir,
extremities, we have the relation about the related to shoulders.
SI na.
So we have to treat the parts which are related to upper extremities. I think
See, you are close, but not fully correct. See, it is
she or he keeping her hands too much in water or something.
no, 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 no. See, you have to think like these people will be there, no? What is their name? Like CID, etc. Right. This is your work. They are trying to find the cause. No, you are also doing the same. How should your mind work? I make the statement. The problem is only in the hands and not in the legs. When I make the statement, something should strike your head.
So we have to treat pericardium.
No. Why you are jumping 2-3 steps ahead? I am asking you to jump only one step.
Urinary bladder.
No.
Nerve. Nerve problem, nervous system.
How nerve is coming into the picture? I am saying problem is only in the hands and not in the legs. When I make this statement, something should just become obviously clear to you. What is that?
Sir,
Need to
LULI
finish upper
both are
extremities.
going through hands.
Okay, so,
LULI both meridian.
so
And we have seen
Sir,
that
I
coldness.
have not
LI is
completed.
the yang
I have not
meridian,
completed the list. I
and
have
LI
only
is the
written.
yang meridian. It's the
No,
obstruction of
listen.
LI, which is
No, no, no.
majorly
SI.
creating the problem.
No, hold on. See, I have not completed the list. It can be there in stomach, it can be there in UB, liver. Okay, it can be there in spleen. Okay, I've just written 2. But my question to you is, the problem is only in the hands and not in the legs. When I
Yes.
make this statement, it should be very, very clear to you. What is that?
So
Sir,
problem is
other
in upper
meridian is also.
extremities, not in lower extremity, something like that.
So something is in the we need to treat hands ki meridian or in the legs meridian
Ah,
because
ah. No. Repeat it. What is that? Who told that?
we need to treat the meridians of the hands, not in the legs, because these
Ah,
other two all meridians are also coming from the legs.
ah.
Yes.
See, very
And the
good.
problem is in the
So
hand. So
after of
whatever
so
the
much
meridian.
of probing,
The nearest organs.
no, listen. When the statement is made, the problem is only in the hands and not in the legs. It means that the problem is in one of the organs, which is whose meridian is flowing through the hands.
Hand.
Yes, no?
Yes,
How
yes,
many
sir.
meridians are flowing in the hands? 6 meridians, 3 yin, 3 yang.
Yeah.
Right? Which are the 3 in lungs, heart, and pericardium. And what
Pericardium.
are the yang? Its corresponding yang organ. That is small intestine, large intestine, and triple wormer.
Yes,
Problem is in one of these 6 meridians,
yes.
6 organs. As soon as I say the statement, the problem is in only hands and not the legs, what should come to your mind instantly?
Triple wormer.
SI meridian.
Consider hands meridian only.
Ah,
And out of that, find out where the
the-
problem is.
Okay.
Default is coming in the structure now, no?
No. See, you no.
Any of
All of you
6
stop.
organ.
All of
Problem
you
is in the
stop.
stomach, sir.
How did you decide? Whoever is telling heart, sorry, stomach or pericardium, how did you decide?
ये coldness
Because
है
the
सर
meridians.
See, in hand, so many things can happen, right?
हाँ, तो coldness का पैटर्न उसमें लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन का है और स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन का है
Huh. Like there are multiple. How did you jump to one? Now, when I make the statement, see, these are the very fundamental things you should be understanding. Okay, in TCM, what is the nomenclature of the patterns? How do we name it? Let's say heart, chi, deficiency is a name. I am taking one example. Here, what are the 3 things which are there? I have to choose a organ. I have to choose the energy in the organ. Is it chi? Is it yin? It is yang? It is coldness? It is hotness? Whatever it is. So it is the energy. What is the energy which is disturbed in the organ? Organ has to be selected. And next, the energy disturbed in the organ. Energy disturbed. Disturbed in the organ. And next, it is the degree of disturbance. Is it deficiency? Is it sinking? Is it collapse? Is it excess? Is it blazing? So, is it excess? It is deficient. If it is deficient, how deficient? Is it only deficient or is it sinking or is it collapsing? All of those are degree of disturbances.
Heart blood deficiency, sir.
I can take blood. Instead of chi, you can make it blood. That is the energy of disturbance in the organ is blood. Right. Or essence, kidney essence deficiency. Whichever protocol you take, these 3 things will be there. Organ, energy, and the degree of disturbance. Now, as soon as I say, like how many organs we have? 12 organs. Yes, no? We have 12 organs.
Yes.
And there are, let's say, about 100, about 80 protocols, 80 standard protocols. In the about 80 standard protocol, all the 12 organs are, actually it is about 100, but we don't study all of them. It is about 100 approximately. Now, as soon as I say that the problem is only in the hands and not in the legs, then instantly my mind should switch that the problem is in one of the 6. What is this? The meridians which flow in the hand. Hand meridians are lungs, large intestine, heart, small intestine, pericardium, and triple valve. These are the meridians which are flowing in the hands. Which are the meridians which are flowing in the legs? Spleen, stomach,
kidney, liver.
liver, gallbladder, kidney, and
Urinary bladder.
okay. Now, as soon as I make the statement, the problem is only in the hands and not in the legs. What should I come to my mind? It is one of these and not this. Is it the right way to think?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And if the problem is with the in the leg only and not in the hand, what will happen? The opposite
We had
will.
to concentrate on legs. Legs
Those
meridian.
6.
This is the
Which are
first.
possible.
This is the first step of analysis. Difficult or easy?
Very easy, sir.
Very easy.
Easy.
Half the problem, half of the options I have removed. Half of the options I have removed. Only half is pending with me. And now I have to work. And the patient told that the patient has lot of issues of constipation. So chronic constipation. So as soon as he is telling what is happening, chronic constipation, suddenly the attention is moving to these two. Lungs and large.
Lungs and large.
Lungs and large intestine.
Lungs and large.
Right. No major lungs issue. Lungs, breathing problem, etc. None of there. Only constipation issue. So it is something related to large intestine. Only 2 statements. What are the 2 symptoms? Problem only in
Large intestine.
only in hand. With this, I reduced half of the option. I removed only half. And as soon as the patient said, I have chronic constipation. So when they say constipation, we have to think in both the organ, paired organ. So here I have lungs and large intestine. It is further reduced to lungs and large intestine. And third, no breathing issues. No breathing. No breathing. No
Issues.
issues. So from 2, it became 1.
One.
So lungs
One.
is not a problem.
LI.
Problem is in LI. What did I arrive? Out of these 3 things, heart, chi deficiency, I got the organ. So the organ is large intestine. Okay. Now, what is this?
But sir, small intestine वो भी coldness का pattern है ना उसका भी.
No. Constipation is related to
Large
small
intestine
or large intestine?
Oh, large intestine.
So I took large intestine.
Okay.
Now, if there was some issue with the heart and small intestine, digestive, then I could have taken that. Okay. Somebody is. Who is Radha Rani? Okay. So I got to know it is something related to large intestine. Now, my decision is that is it excess or deficiency? is to be understood. Now
It is excess, sir.
I touched the hand and it was hot. I touched the hand, it was hot. So it is something related to hot. And the degree of the problem is like very stiff, very stiff. Excess stiffness, is it deficient condition or excess condition?
Excess.
Yes.
How-
Excess.
how-
Here heat is produced so that the fire organ.
No. See, if it is very loose, it is deficient. Like sagging or loose muscles, loose skin, etc. It is deficient. It is very tight, very tight. Then it is
Excess.
excess. So there is some kind of heat. There is some kind of heat in large intestine which is excess. These three things I arrived with these information. Now what almost the entire diagnosis is done. Only a little bit is done. Now you go and see the excess type. What is there? There is large intestine hotness is there. Humid heat in large intestine is there. And obstruction in large intestine due to hotness is there. These are the three things which are related to heat. I felt there is something obstructing. That is why it is fixed like this. Right? It is not
Moving.
like it is, something is obstructed. That is why it is like this. So I applied obstruction in. I applied
Obstruction in the flow of chi.
obstruction in large intestine
Large intestine.
due to and also the patient had told that he had some kind of viral fever, no, high fever sometime long time back. So wait, so no breathing issue and some kind of some viral fever long time. So this is also related to heat, viral fever, heat. So he had given this information also. So based on these informations, I was able to arrive at the protocol. Okay, obstruction in large intestine due to hotness. Because this one of the symptom of this is that if there is any kind of high fever, tidal fever, etc. So now I applied the points. Literally less than 15 minutes, like 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. The hand which was like this, slowly the finger started becoming like this. The muscles which was all tight, rigid, it became soft.
Oh, pretty good.
It is not pretty good, it is phenomenal, mind-blowing. Like in less than 10-15 minutes, the hands which were all like rigid, they can't move the fingers. It will be very tight. In 10 minutes, 15 minutes, they are able to move.
Actually, I was a witness. I was there when the treatment took place. In front of me only it has happened. I was also pleasantly surprised. Because, usually our mind goes that, in such cases, we remove the earth and improve the movement through wind. But in this concept, new concept, it is so fast. It's so fast. The result has come because of your thought process. How do you interpret is very important. It's a very excellent lesson for everybody to learn. Some people say there is no shortcut to success. I say there is a shortcut to success because I am a witness for this. Anyway, please continue. Sorry, because
Yes.
I just wanted to, say that I was there, and it's a true fact. There's no,
Yeah.
exaggeration. It's a true fact I have witnessed.
So it was when the hands were all changing, it was just delight.
Sir,
So I have a question.
disease
Huh?
was acute or chronic?
Chronic.
So I had a question. So Ravind sir says, what made you think ki it's a bone problem, not the muscles problem? Because when the liver manages the muscles, and it might be the stiffness of muscles which might be making the movement, because muscles are also responsible for the movements. So please, if you can guide us in this way also.
If your bathroom is there and some hair is stuck in the exit, drainage. Hair is so thin, right? And can that block the flow of the water in the bathroom? If there is hair,
Yes.
Yes, yes,
Mm.
yes.
it can block. Now you remove the blockage, and how fast the water will go? It will go very fast, is it not?
Mm.
Yes, sir.
It will take months together to go,
No.
no?
Immediately.
Minutes, isn't it? And the same is with this. If there is some kind of obstruction in the flow of the energy in the meridian, I removed the obstruction and the energy started flowing and the muscles got the energy and it started moving. There is two things. One is muscle and other one is the muscle became soft, started moving. But the structural problem in the bone, whatever has happened, it will take time. Yes, no? Bone will not change in minutes. It will take time. But the muscle, movement of the muscle comes in matter of time. Now, this problem is such a big problem and they take decades. People suffer for decades together with this. And something which is not fixed in decades, if you are able to fix to certain degree in minutes, imagine
Yes. Miracle. Like.
imagine how big you
Mm.
are as a healer.
Mm.
Huh?
Sir, in chikungunya
Yes, sir.
also the same type of picture we see now. The after fever, the muscle joints are become stiff.
Yes, yes.
In that case, we can use this one.
There
Or
is no
according to symptom signs,
Ravindra sir said there is no shortcut.
which meridian is involved.
You have to do diagnosis. You cannot escape the process of diagnosis. Right? We can simplify, we can make it very logical, but still you have to go through the process of diagnosis
Mm.
for each patient. And no two patients will be the same.
Yes, sir.
Mm.
Right?
Cannot replicate. Yes.
No, because that worked in that patient, it is not necessary.
Mm.
It will work in this patient also. Right?
Mm. Yes.
So why I am saying this is the power of diagnosis. Pinpoint accuracy. For that, you will have to have your concepts, the fundamentals should be super strong. Like very, 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 very strong. Full of clarity of reasoning. Okay? That is why I told this.
So one doubt, sir.
Yes.
So when we touch our skin, if we feel hot, means our inner body is in cold condition to reduce that cold. So body produce heat in the outside of our body. So can't we take it as cold?
No, it is body. When you touch the body, if it is hot, there is excess heat here. And if it is cold, there is excess cold here. It is
Yeah, excess heat or cold in the outside of our body. But what about it's vice versa
the
like
inside
that?
of the body. Okay,
Uh,
if the body is, say, somebody is having fever, you touch them, it is hot. What does it?
it feels hot.
Only the outside is hot or the inside is also hot?
Yeah, inside also temperature
Inside
is
also.
high.
Right?
Yeah.
You take an ice cream. You touch the outside, it is cold. Does it mean it is inside is hot or inside is cold?
No, sir.
Huh? And you take a cup of coffee, you hold the cup, it is hot. What does it mean?
Yeah, it is hot.
Inside is also
Inside also hot. Yeah. Okay.
clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, a simple thing. The word coldness, the word hotness, how deeply it should enter your understanding. Okay. Only by this statement, coldness creates the bone. Coldness creates the bone. So if there is excess coldness, there is excess bone. No, in lungs it is there, large intestine it is there. Stomach coldness is there. Stomach attack of cold on stomach is there. Okay, in stomach coldness. So this is a deficient condition. And there is an excess condition, attack of.
So board is not visible.
Sorry. Okay. In stomach coldness is there, which is a deficient condition. And in excess condition, stomach, there is an attack of cold on stomach. So this is an excess condition. So similarly, in UB it is there, in spleen it is there. Spleen is damp cold attack on. Spleen is there. In UB it is there. In UB there is.
सर ये एक्सेस कंडीशन आपने बोला अटैक ऑन स्टमक,
हाँ,
अटैक ऑन कोल्ड ऑन स्टमक, वो
Yes.
एक्सेस कंडीशन सर वो समझ में नहीं आया, एक्सेस कंडीशन कैसे हमने
Say stomach, there is what is there in stomach? There is a, we call in Hindi, there is Jataragni, right?
Yes.
There is heat in stomach. Okay. So you have acid. So this is the acid, which is heat. Now you drank lot of cold drinks or ate lot of ice cream or ate lot of food which is of cold nature, salads, etc. And you are staying in a cold environment under AC, etc. for long. So what is happening? You are inducing excessive cold into the stomach.
यस, तो नेचुरल फिनोमिना उसका हॉट है और उसमें कोल्ड का अटैक है. यस,
It is a cold attack on stomach. Okay. And because of age factor or something, the stomach is not able to produce enough acids, etc. Then it is stomach coldness. It is a deficient condition. Clear?
Okay.
Nahin, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
If you say okay, it doesn't mean anything to me. So if you say yes, then I know okay.
Yes.
If you say okay, okay. See, I did not understand. It's okay. It is that is what it is when you say
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Okay, damn cold attack on spleen. And in UB, humid cold. In UB.
Sir, acidity is related to H. pylori also no?
Hold on. and there is in this thing stagnation of cold in liver. So more or less these are the options which are related to cold, excess cold. You will have to select one of these depending on the patient. How difficult is it? Is it very difficult?
No, sir.
No? Only one person is saying no. What about others?
It was difficult to diagnose.
Difficult is only
But it
diagnosis.
seems to be easy, but practice makes the man perfect.
What?
Practice makes the man perfect. It seems to be easy, but when we are in field, it don't work that way. We just missed out many things. So we need lots of practice to get it done properly.
Okay. But
If
the
we
more,
think,
yeah.
if we think like you, it is very easy, sir. First,
How?
we had to diagnose it half and half. What are the pathways where it is locating, where the relation between the problem and the organ we had to identify. After that, the nearest, that is whatever the patient will tell the extra symptoms. According to that, we have to estimate the problem location.
Okay.
So
This
when
is
we
how
think
you,
like that, it is easy.
yeah, this is how you should think. And my question is, how difficult is it to think like this?
Not difficult, but sir,
No,
वो
it's not difficult if we understand the process, then it's not so
हाँ,
difficult.
but click होना चाहिए और बस.
So it is not difficult. It is not difficult. Only thing is you have to train your mind to think in a systematic way. Like
Yes,
you
sir.
have to build a process. You have to think. Okay, just hold on for a moment. So if you follow a system, if you follow a process, over a period of time, you will train your mind to think in a very systematic way. Yes, when you think in logic, it will make. So it is, and this becomes easy when you understand the logic behind each concept. Okay. Now, if I had not given you the statement of this keeping a fruit in a freezer and that will become hard, and bone is a hard content, and coldness creates hardness, and coldness creates the bone. If you don't understand this statement, then is it easy to think in that way?
No, sir.
No,
It will
sir.
be difficult.
You will be lost. Okay.
Perfect example.
Right. And so for each concept, you have to create a logic. Every statement which the book says, for that you have to come up with the logic. Okay. Now, whenever there is excess coldness, arthritis, rheumatic arthritis, etc. So the coldness is more or less. The coldness is more, right? And if somebody says there is osteoporosis, so if somebody says there is osteo, what does it mean?
वो deficient condition है, I think.
The bone is very hollow.
Hollow.
Too many holes.
Degeneration.
Too many holes in the bone. That is osteoporosis, means excess pores. Excess pores in the bone. Pores is holes, small holes, tiny holes. Now here, what is the coldness? The coldness is less or coldness is more?
Less.
But less.
Less.
So here is the coldness is less. Hence the bone is porous. Now what should I do? Increase the
Coldness. Increase.
coldness. So when I say increase the coldness, what does it mean? What will you increase? How will you increase coldness?
Stone kidney.
Increase करके increase
So-
then reduce reaction.
Increasing heat.
Okay, you have to increase. See, what are the 5 elements? Have wind, fire, wind, heat, dryness, humidity, and coldness. Okay, these two are yang, and these 3 are yin. Now, if I have to increase the coldness, what do I have to do? I have to increase the
yin.
I have to increase
अगर
the
metal और coldness को
What is the question?
below 3 will increase the dryness, cold, hot, dryness, coldness, and humidity को will increase that.
All the 3 put together, the dryness, humidity, and coldness put together, it creates yin. You cannot increase coldness directly. You can decrease coldness directly, but you cannot increase coldness directly. You will have to increase the yin.
Yin.
Making sense?
Yes.
So wherever there is yin deficiency, you will have to increase the coldness by increasing the yin. Yin is substance. So the substance is missing in the bone. So I have to increase the substance. Okay, making sense?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what do? I have another half an hour.
Sir, how to decrease coldness in arthritis, sir?
Yeah, whatever there is excess coldness conditions which are there, right? Here I have written coldness in lungs, which is there, attack of wind cold or attack of wind. So, or if it is in large intestine, obstruction in large intestine due to coldness, or stomach coldness, attack of coldness, humid cold in UB, stagnation of cold in liver, damp cold attack on spleen. Any of those protocols, whichever is relevant in that situation, you will have to use. Okay.
Sir, one more thing, sir. My father of 75 years age, same problem is there for left hand, arthritis, and also the this skin is like this, sir, sagging left hand, and here the swelling is there in the wrist.
So,
continuous pain is there here.
So I will not, the problem is I will not be able to diagnose with this much amount of data.
Okay. No,
So
sir,
I gave you, okay. I gave you these points of data because it is straightforward, relevant to you. But I did not take only this much data from the patient. I made the patient write the case history for 2 days. The patient was asking for the appointment from past 2 days in the conference. I was telling, no, please create your case history. And only when you create a complete case history, I will take. So he had written a very big case history, and only when I have so much data, I will be able to analyze. But I did not give all the data to you because this is the most relevant, which I used for the selection of the protocol which I gave you. So with whatever little data that you gave, the hand is like this and the skin is sagging, we can only guess, right? You think we'll be able to do a proper diagnosis?
No.
No. So I have never given protocols in the class, so I'll not be able to diagnose because the chances of it being correct is less. Without, and you should also not do such thing, right?
Okay.
Fine. Is that okay? So what should I do next? We'll take some concepts. What do you want me to do? Take some cases like diseases or concepts? What should I teach? I'll take some concepts.
Concept, sir.
Yes, sir, concept.
Yes, sir.
Okay, kidney yin is the kidney yang is the mother of all yang. How? How? Have you heard this statement? Kidney yang is the mother of all yang. You have heard?
Yes, sir. Yes.
No.
सर
Heard about kidney yin.
5 एलिमेंट क्रिएशन सर्किल में सर जो सभी एलिमेंट्स का क्रिएशन हुआ है वो वाटर एलिमेंट से ही हुआ है, तो जितने भी यांग और एलिमेंट है क्रिएशन में, उसमें जो फर्स्ट मेकिंग एलिमेंट है वो यूरिनरी ब्लैडर ही है सर
How?
क्रिएशन में.
How? Okay, through reproductive organ, that is what you are telling. Kidney. No, my question is kidney yang is the mother of all yang. How, what is the logic?
सर 5 एलिमेंट क्रिएशन सर्किल के साइकिल के अनुसार मैं बोल रहा था, जैसे द वाटर एलिमेंट द मदर ऑफ वुड, yin water element mother of yin wood, and yang water element mother is yang wood. तो उसी क्रिएशन साइकिल में जितने भी और यांग आएंगे तो सबका मदर तो फिर ये वाटर ही रहेगा ना.
But water, there is a mother for water also, lungs. Why not take that and buy only water?
और सर यहाँ पे जैसे जितने भी यिन ऑर्गन है या यांग ऑर्गन है, वो सभी की जो असेंस एनर्जी है वो किडनी में ही है. इनकी जैसे इनको एनर्जी करना है तो किडनी इनसे करेंगे, क्योंकि जो प्री हेवन एनर्जी है वो हमारा वाटर एलिमेंट में ही है.
Anything more logical?
And ang is in concept is there.
What?
What we say?
Huh? Yes. See, as soon as we ask how, everybody will become silent. Or why? If you ask, silence is the answer. There should be some reasoning. Okay. Now, our body is divided into three warmers, right? Our body is divided into three. Okay. So we have upper warmer, middle warmer, and lower warmer. Yes. So the yang in the upper warmer, that is the one which creates the yang is the one which creates the heat. So we have heart yang. And in the middle, we have spleen yang. And in the lower warmer, we have kidney. Any other yang we have apart from this? Do we have any other yang? So these are the three main yangs. Now imagine you have you boil your say idli in the stove, right? So you have these idli tray. Now the heat is kept where? The heat is kept in the bottom. Or the heat is kept in the top also? Is it kept in the top? No. Why? Because the heat from the bottom flows up and cooks all the idlis. Right? The heat rises up. If the heat is there in the bottom, that is good enough. Now, similarly, somebody who is talking. Now I have in the lower warmer, I have kidney yang, right? So I have this fire. Okay, the burner. What will it do? It will send the energy, the fire heat to all the above warmers. It will send the heat to itself, its own warmer, its lower warmer, and it will also send the heat to the
middle and upper warmer.
It will also
Upper
send
direction.
to the middle warmer and also send to the upper warmer. Okay. Now this is kidney yang. The next one is spleen yang. Okay. So the spleen yang, this fire, it will send the energy to this, its own warmer, the middle warmer, and also send the heat to the upper warmer.
Upper warmer.
Yes. And
Yes, sir.
And the third one is the heart yang. So the heart yang covers the heat in its own place. Now, which yang is present in all the yang?
Kidney yang, initiated, generated by
Kidney
yes.
yang is present in the lower warmer, the middle warmer, and also the upper warmer. So the kidney yang is present in all the other yangs. So that is why kidney yang is the mother of all yang. Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. In similar way, kidney yin also mother of all yin.
Yes, I am coming to it. So kidney, everybody is okay with this kidney yang?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next kidney.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Kidney yin is the mother of all yin, and I will say stomach yin. Is the source. Because where do we get the first, which is the organ which receives the water first? Whatever water we drink, it first goes into the stomach. Yes, no?
Yes.
So all the water we drink, the first place that it goes is stomach. So that is the origin, where the first water comes and collects is the. But after the water comes and collects, the water is distributed to all the organs through the distribution. The distribution of water is to all organs. Is managed by kidney. Hence, kidney yin is the mother of all the yin. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And whenever how do we know if the yang is reduced? So we have, the heart yang, kidney yang, spleen. Okay, so if the heart yang becomes less, what happens? The hands become cold. When the heart yang becomes less, hands become cold. When the kidney yang becomes less, legs become cold. The fire, yang is fire, no? If the fire becomes less, the feet will become cold. And when spleen yang becomes less, both hand and feet become and heat become cold. Making sense?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I have 10 minutes. You tell me anything else you want to know. Can discuss related. So urinary tract infection. I'll just take some diseases. What is this urinary tract infection? UTI.
Humid heat in urinary bladder.
Urinary tract infection is some kind of infection in urinary bladder. Infection in urinary bladder. The first treatment that goes in is
UP 67.
humid heat in UB. That is the first which you can give. But it doesn't mean that is the beginning, end all, start all kind of solution. No. You try this, and if it doesn't work, infection is humid heat. Now, if this doesn't work, your work will increase. That is, let's unmute themselves, means mute themselves. Okay. If this doesn't work, your work will increase. So now, if that doesn't work, what you have to do, you have to find the source of heat. Which is creating that, and it is flowing into the UB. So this is your UB, right? And heat is here. And heat is over here. There is heat. Now, one thing is the heat can be of this own organ, or it can be coming from some other organ in the body. It can be flowing through some other organ. So the next probable thing is, say, the heart. So if it is in heart, if there is excess heart fire blazing in the excess heat in the heart, then it can come through organ cycle, organ clock. Organ clock, we have heart, and then from there it will come to small intestine, and from there it can come to urinary bladder. So from heart it can come to SI, and from there it can come to UB. So you will have to understand the heat is in the heart, the heat is in the SI, or it is because of the UB. Making sense?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If you try to reduce humid heat in UB, nothing is happening. The urinary infection is still the same. Then there may be excess heat in liver, right? So you will have to work reducing the heat in the liver. Why? How? So you have your food, mouth. From there you have the stomach. And from there you have the, I'm just writing it roughly. So things from liver will also get in. And then things from your pancreas. So there is heat in stomach. And there is, and next to it is spleen. This is spleen. So the food is coming in this path. Okay, I will write this. So now there is small intestine. This is small intestine. And there is large intestine. Okay. And there is from small intestine, there is a connection, energy connection, which also goes to the UB. Okay. So I don't have the chart over here. Okay, this is the energy connection. Right. So if it is SI is linked to
सर अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑर्गन क्लॉक साइकिल के अनुसार है ना सर ये?
हाँ, SI to UB, and heart is paired organ of SI. Now, if there is heat in stomach, can that heat flow and get into UB? Food, because food is coming. If there is heat in stomach, can the heat pass on to UB? This is a question. Can it?
नॉट नेसेसरी, क्योंकि वहाँ डुओडेनम में तो उसका हीट एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है.
Duodenum, only the acidity is reduced by alkaline. Okay. If it beyond a certain limit, that acidity will flow and create ulcers in the intestines. So if there is heat in stomach, it can flow and get into UB. Yes, no?
So from stomach
Yes,
it
sir.
will go everywhere, no, sir.
No, my question I am writing. If there is the food that you eat, and where is what is coming out of UB? Urine. It is water. Okay. Now, where did the water first get into the body?
Stomach.
Through the stomach.
Now, if there is excess heat in the stomach, will that water, which will be processed in the stomach and sent throughout the body and which comes out in the form of urine, will it have some amount of that heat which the stomach had? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Or no? It will not be there.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It will be there.
it will be there.
Right. And similarly, if there is heat in liver, and if the liver is sending the bile, that heat also come to the UB?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
And if there is excess heat in heart, can that also come through SI?
Yes, sir.
Because SI has this link. So through SI it can come. If there is excess heat in SI, can it go to UB?
Yes, sir.
Excess heat in SI, it can go to UB. Yeah. Right. So now, if I give humid heat in urinary bladder, and if it is not solving the case, I have to figure out where the heat is. and cut down that heat. Making sense how I can fix UTI? You can fix UTI like this or only by standard?
Yes, sir.
By this phenomenon.
So you will have to understand the source of the heat. Okay. So good. These are some of the topics. So was it useful today's class?
Very useful, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
yes,
Very
sir.
useful.
Diagnostic purpose, and we have to identify the
Very
problem.
informative.
Okay, yes. Good. So tomorrow we have the last class and tomorrow we will solve some papers. Okay. What do you want to do? We'll solve papers tomorrow? Nobody is saying anything.
Yes, sir. The work on concepts more of
Huh?
It's a concept-based class.
the
Concept-based
we need
class.
more clarity about the concepts, sir.
Nobody wants question paper to be solved.
Sir,
No,
question
no,
paper
sir.
कर लेंगे, sir.
What?
Concepts नहीं होंगे तो question paper कैसे होंगे?
Question
More
paper क्या?
नहीं, if the concepts are clear, question paper तो हो जाएंगे ना, sir?
Oh, you are telling question paper we will solve by ourselves. You teach the
नहीं,
concept.
you teach us how to solve it, the concepts.
Okay. 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 See, this is revision class and mostly in revision class, question papers are solved. Okay. So tomorrow we'll take 1 or 2 question paper and in between whatever concept is required, we will also discuss. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, fine. So with this, I hand it over to Ravindra sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for the wonderful
Thank you so
session.
much, sir. Thank you so much.
One second, please listen to me. See, in Krishnamurti's class, you will understand the concept very, very clearly. And now you have understood. If you want, if time permits, I request Krishnamurti to take up, the organ clock timing so that it will throw light on yin and yang. That is, Tai in, Shao yin, Jui yin, and then Tai yang, Yang Ming, Shao yang. That covers the whole body. I mean, conceptually, it is not, because time is too short. Otherwise, you can, as you like.
After exam.
There's, I think, network issue.
See, everything depends on how you interpret. Now, that's what I have learned from Krishnamurti. So, honestly, I'm telling you. So, but unfortunately, repeatedly, I'm telling, I have been requesting all my friends to please share your experience, at least in Ishan and other groups. Other students also get benefit, but you don't do that. What to do?
Sir, actually the problem is everybody is looking for protocols only. There are hardly any people who want to learn the concept.
Sir, I think network is an issue.
सर मैं काफ़ी क्लासेस ज्वाइन किया हूँ TCM सीखने के लिए। एक्चुअली मेरे को जिस तरीके से सीखना था वो आपकी क्लासेस में मेरे को
anyone, but please cooperate, So our purpose is served. The motto of our samsthan is served. The, what you call the purpose of our samsthan to make our country medicine free is served. I'm not asking for any of my personal benefit. Anyhow, those who attended, I really appreciate. But please, support us in this Andolan to spread this divine knowledge. Fortunately, we have the privilege of having wonderful faculties who are operating from a giving domain to, for Krishnamurti and all our faculty to share their knowledge. How much of effort they have put. See, they are giving us their efforts in a silver spoon to us. So, friends, please, I request you to cooperate in this Andolan. And on behalf of every one of you, I really extend my heartfelt thanks and pranams to Krishnamurti for rendering an excellent session. Make the concept so clear. So, good night. We'll catch up tomorrow as usual. 3 sessions on the same Zoom link.
Thank you, sir.
And also those who want to learn
Sir.
more, we will have sessions after the examinations like Yellow Emperor Part 2, etc. For all of you can join.
Yeah. I'll announce it in all the groups. Yellow Emperor and if possible tongue diagnosis also.
Tongue diagnosis also.
Because
सर
once you are
आपके
strong.
जैसा शार्प माइंड हो इसके लिए कोई पॉइंट बता दीजिए सर
और
गजब
what is that?
सोच है आपकी सर इतना
What?
शार्प माइंड है सर आपका इतना अच्छा पढ़ाते कुछ पॉइंट बता दीजिए हम लोग का भी हो जाए ऐसे सर
अगर पॉइंट से होता तो मैं बता देता. अच्छा, Anil Singh sir was telling something before we end.
थैंक यू सर थैंक यू सो मच सर आप हम लोग को 4th सेमेस्टर में पढ़ा रहे थे सर यो भी फिर चले गए सर आप
अच्छा ठीक है बाद में पढ़ लेंगे. अच्छा
ओके सर आई एम वेटिंग.
हाँ ओके जी. अच्छा चलो, so we will meet tomorrow and continue the discussion. Okay, thank you.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Right,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
आपका
so
नंबर
much,
मिल सकता है क्या सर?
कल